6, and this is my final project.
Good afternoon, my name is Daniel Flores. I am in the team with Andres Zambrano, and this is our presentation for the final project of Math 6, and we will be uploading this to our Google sites.
This is our painting that the name is Beberemos de los Corazones Rotos. The authors are Andres Zambrano, Javier Vázquez, Daniel Hernandez, Ricardo Ortiz. The dimensions are 30 centimeters square, and we based on the surrealism to this painting.
As you can see, for us to be able to work with this painting, we had to turn it around, so we've got like a more wider area to work with, and it makes a very basic but good shape. There's this one, and it makes it easier for us to work.
Of our project, we have to use a technological aid. In this case, we use Graphmatica, and what we do was to plug in at certain points to get different kinds of graphs. And the types of graph that we choose was the polynomial function, the exponential function, the power function, and the logarithmic function.
When we used Graphmatica as a technological aid, we were surprised because it is a very friendly user page. It wasn't that hard to use, and the point with using it was to find out which type of graph that Graphmatica gave us was closer to the actual one, and we found out that the polynomial graph is the closest one to the real one.
My conclusion that I learned in this project was that there's many ways to get the area or present a certain place or painter in this case, but we think that the old-fashioned way, that is the manual way, is the best way to get an area, because when we use that technological aid, it's a very practical way, but not that exact in compare of the manual way to get it.
From my personal experience, my conclusion would be that yes, doing it manual is a very precise way, a much more precise way. Nevertheless, using a technological aid like Graphmatica gives you an easier to do and faster answer in the case of getting a graph or a graph that looks like the one you have originally. You just need to plug in the points, and that's all. So I guess people should use technological aids. Nevertheless, if they want to have a more precise answer, they should do it manually.